Hello, how are you?
Hi, I am fine.
Sir, I am new here. I want some help. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I am a tourist. I want some places here. So, what about the places to visit here?
You mean the tourist places? There are lot of tourist places here. But have be careful because there are many stealers and scammers are present there. But I recommend you to hire a tourist service. There are many services are present here, and these services are not so expensive. There is one downtown. The name is Tour Park. For just $50, you can visit all the tourist places in this city. I think that's good.
Yeah, I like that. I think that's fine. But it's already late. It will be tomorrow, right?
Yeah, you can start from tomorrow.
Now you better go to your hotel and rest. That's right. I wanted to ask you something, but I think it's a little rude.
Rude? That's okay. You can tell me. Come on.
Okay, I want to know, why is this city so dirty? I am sorry, but since I arrived this morning, I have seen a lot of garbage everywhere. What is that?
Oh, that. Well, how can I explain you this? No, I think I don't justify it. The people here are not very clean people. That's it. I think we are not used to clean the garbage from the streets. I apologize for that. I know it doesn't look well, but I hope that can change in some days.
Don't worry, that's okay. Every country has singular problem. Where I come from, maybe it's very clean, but people are not very nice to anyone. We will be lucky to find a person who can help us in our country, just like you are doing right now with me. I have visited many countries. They have beautiful sights, but unfortunately, no good people over there.
I guess you are right. Well, welcome to our country.
And I hope you have a great trip. Thank you so much.